Balik ta mga kapuso sa GMA Regional TV Live atong ilailahon og pasidunggan karong buntaga kining mga miyembro sa usa ka grupo nga mikampyon karong bag-o sa usa ka International Hackathon Competition. Proud Pinoy mga kapuso, duha kanila mga Bisaya ug silang gibuhat aron mukampyon nining dakong kompetisyon nga gisalmutan sa mga IT experts, mga IT professionals ug mga business enthusiasts. Yun sa nila paglangkat sa kampyonato, maila-ila nato sila karong buntaga mga kapuso, si Casey, Rainier, Jeremiah og si Ma'am Ivy sa Team Simbayot. Ato ni sila ilalahon. Good morning!
Good morning!
Morning!
Good morning!
Thank you so much for joining us og congratulations po for your feat. Let me start with you, Sir Rainier, kasi parang ikaw daw yung leader ng grupo. Sir, can you explain to us more about this competition, sir? AWS Hackathon.
Hackathon. Actually, a hackathon is a contest of sorts. Mostly programming. You will be presented with a problem, and then you form a group and you solve that problem as a group, and then you pitch your idea and you will be judged on the final day of the competition. The problem was on sustainability, if I'm not mistaken. Tama ba, team?
Sustainability.
And then, we opted to solve yung problem ng seaweed farmers in the Philippines because as you know, there are diseases dun sa, initially yung diseases ng mga seaweeds. So yung device na kinreate namin for the contest is to detect yung mga yon, and then using artificial intelligence or machine learning to detect if there's high probability for the disease to happen in the seaweeds.
Mhm.
So that's the initial one. And then for the finals in Singapore, about the workflow naman. So we decided to solve yung problem din in, let's say, sa profitability naman ng farmers since they don't get the pay that they expect. Since it's going to the middlemen. So the solution will streamline the workflow so they get what they deserve.
Can you tell us more about the name of your group, sir? This is parang unique yung pangalan ng
Simbayot.
Simbayot.
Actually, when I was looking for a name, I just searched for words that has IoT in it. And what came out is symbiote. So a symbiote is a creature living in symbiosis. So it's from symbiosis.
Sir Casey, ano pong significance, importansya ng mga ganitong mga hackathon competition, sir?
Actually, this one is to develop yung creativity ng mga programmers and yung nag-envision how to solve the problem.
Sa grupo, Sir Jeremiah, unsa may role nimo, unsa may task nimo?
Koan ko sa group, software developer man ko by profession. So, mutabang ko sa pag-create sa software. And at the same time, ako mo pitch sa solution sa...
Ma'am Ivy, kay sa business man kuno ka nga side, ma'am. So, unsa man po'y imong gi-contribute para sa grupo, ma'am?
Ang akong role, sir, kay anay atong nag-brainstorm na ko yung mga initial nga data na ideas. Tapos, kinahanglan man gud nga ang tool, ang IT tool, gamit jud siya to address a particular problem. So, nangita mig market, kinsa dyan mo gamit ana, also dyan needs nila. And pag na-identify na siya, that's where i-form na dayon itong technology because ang technology should be able to address specific needs of a particular community or a particular industry, something like that. So, akong role, sir, na ako diha sa business, na compute ko pila possible returns, kinsay bagyaan, ana.
Sir Rainier, what's next for the group, sir? Will you be working together as a team pa rin sa future competitions?
Maybe not in competitions, but we plan to push this forward, the idea, and look for investors.
All right, to cap this off, in behalf na lang of sa grupo, sa team, Sir Rainier, message niyo po sa public.
Never give up. Kasi last year I joined pero we didn't win, and this year I just thought of trying it again, and yeah, with the perfect combination of team members, we did it. So never give up on your dreams.
Thank you so much for joining us this morning. Congratulations po sa grupo.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you and good morning again.
Thank you.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.